to another video of the tutorial series. So today we'll see I have used this particular repository here to development purpose around the video creation. Now you see this is not my GitHub URL. It's a URL that from where I have taken the pull, the repo. Now how you'll be able to make this push on your own GitHub. So for that, first thing you'll have to come up here on the GitHub and you'll have to again create a new repository, and you'll have to make sure whether this video is going to be this particular repository is going to be your public one or the private one. So for now I am also making this one on the public. Then you'll have to click here on the create. So this is just I have created here. Now here you see it's already have. Then you'll have to try adding this one. Okay, so first you can try adding if you are able to do. If you go for git remote --v, then you will find the current repository it is being used here. Now if you try adding, it will give you already exist. Then what in case of, so adding will not work because that is for the first time. So git remote set URL is it, you'll have to put command. Okay, so now you see I just set up, so it will override the previous one, and now we'll have with this particular one. Okay, now if you git remote -v, then you'll find your repo is coming now here. Right, so this is how you'll be able to switch between the repository, and this is very much obvious in case you are using any public repo, open source repository, and you taken the pool and you made your modification. Now you want to push on your own GitHub with your own repo. Then this is very much important step, how to update the Git repository. All right, then again you'll have to push the thing. If you come up here under status, you'll find everything. So after adding the new repository, you can add everything like git commit straight. So this will add everything, git status. So I just committed here, so I just added here. Now we'll have to git commit -m. I will have to put up your message. Okay, then again we'll have to, last one we'll have to push. Clear? So this is a very simple step. In case of existing repository, you'll have to update the repo URL. Then this is very much important step we'll have to do. The first thing we'll have to do, git remote set URL. Okay, so this is a step. Then if you go for checking the updated one, it should appear in your repo. Then you can do a status, add the required file, and you can commit and the push finally. Alright, now you see it was a huge repository. That is why it is taking time, and everything will depend on your internet connectivity. Now if I come up here and refresh, you should see some of the files. Okay, so once completed, the file should start appearing here. So if you see, once it's crossed the 100, it reaches to 100%, you'll find the things like the files are coming here. Alright, so currently you see you don't have any file, but yeah, let's wait for another 30-40 seconds, and I think it should be done. Got it? So the command is this is very much important, that is git remote set URL. So if you come up here, so adding a new repository, so this is the command, and for updating in place of add, you will have to put set -URL.